Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. Before anything else, preparation is the key to success. The future belongs to those who prepare for it. Planning is bringing the future into the present. What you do today will determine your future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Buddha. The future will hold only the happiness that we build into it. May the happiest days of your past be the saddest days of your future. Focusing on your future makes you realize more opportunities than ever. Thus, a focus on the future motivates people to make changes in the present. People always find it easier to be a result of the past rather than a cause of the future. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. You must predict the future and you must learn to act deliberately to control your destiny. Change is the law of life, and those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future. The best preparation for the future is a well spent today. Life is a preparation for the future, and the best preparation for the future is to live as if there were none. In preparing for battle, I have always found that plans are useless, but planning is indispensable. Eisenhower. Plans are only good intentions unless they immediately degenerate into hard work. Peter F. Drucker, the Management Guru. The best preparation for the future is the present well seen to, and the last duty done. Conservatism offers no redress for the present and makes no preparation for the future. The best possible preparation for the future is a well-lived present. This is what the past is for, Every experience God gives us, every person He puts in our lives, is the perfect preparation for the future that only He can see. You never know the future will hold. Only God knows. Planning ahead is a measure of class. The rich and even the middle class plan for future generations. But the poor can plan ahead only a few weeks or days. All beings are not only the parents in the past, they will become the Buddha in the future. If you free their lives, you are Buddha. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.